Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with the essential ingredients for perfect homemade noodles. In this video, I will explain how to make homemade noodles. You'll need all-purpose flour, fresh eggs, and a little salt. These simple items are the foundation of delicious, tender noodles. Getting your ingredients ready is the first step to success, ensuring your noodles have the best flavor and texture. It's truly a simple process. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. First, combine your flour and salt, then make a small well in the center for the eggs. Gently mix everything together until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a clean surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for texture. Once your dough is rested, it's time to roll it out. Divide the dough into 2 or 3 portions to make it easier to handle. Roll each piece very thin, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. The thinner you roll, the more delicate your noodles will be. Then, cut them into your preferred shapes, like classic fettuccine or wider pappardelle. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade creation. Cook your fresh noodles in a pot of rapidly boiling, salted water for just 2 to 4 minutes. They cook much faster than dried pasta. Drain them well and serve immediately with your favorite sauce. If you have any uncooked noodles left, store them in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.